This is one of the marvelous species of trees. It's called Tamilnadia uliginosa. And this is only the third specimen I am seeing. So after 1,000 visits, 1,000 field trips, 3 plants shows how rare it is. Then first time I am seeing with flower and fruit together. And it's a slow growing thing apparently, because from the look itself I can make out it's a slow grower. Then second, shape also, and seeing the rarity. So probably if there's one mother tree, slowly it will grow for years together, and finally some fruit. And if any damage happens, it will take years to regrow. It's that kind of species from the look of it. So flowers are absolutely marvelous. After the flowers fall off, that bud. There is no milky latex or anything. And this location is such that it is having some moss also is growing on it. That moss. Not moss, this is lichen. And then 2 species of lichen. One is this white one. Another one is this green one. And also, so beautifully this moss also has occurred to capture the dew and all. Because that bark I think is conducive for all these things to grow. And it's a small tree, say about 3 times my height, some 15 feet tall, maybe 56, 18 feet. Then lot of flowers are there. Leaves and all are quite simple. It has thorns, but in the mature stems the thorns are not there. And it's not strong also, it will just break if you tug it a bit. Then lot of fruits have occurred and flowers. Some 50 guava type fruits are there. Then we look at the bark of the tree. Nothing much, it's kind of rough and not too many fissures or anything. This is the Tamilnadia. No, this is Karnataka now, where I am shooting this. It's called Tamilnadia. So this is the marvelous plant of today.